We're here to raise money to help these veterans get service dogs. Luis is doing a 3-hour CE credit.
Do the men and women who serve this country deserve the very best real estate agent that there is? Do they deserve that? Yes, they do. Over 41 million American sons and daughters have fought for this nation during times of war.
We're really making a difference. I do believe that we have veterans out in the lobby right now with their service dogs that might not have been here if we wouldn't have gathered together as a community, raised money, and maybe saved their lives. We're hoping today to raise enough money that we can fund our 4th dog from today's event.
Every dollar that we raise goes to benefit a local warrior.
AWI is going to step up and we're going to round that up to $40,000. 4 dogs. Thank you for your service. Thank you, sir.
Being a female and not looking outwardly like I'm severely injured or anything, people don't really notice anything. They thank my husband for his service and I don't really get much, so this is like the first time.